Hi, so it's 11:55 on New Year's Eve. I'm recording with an iPhone 8 and I just want to try and get the noise, so I've opened my windows fully because it goes crazy. I've lived here for 5 years. I'm 250 feet in the air. That's the city of Manchester. It's Salford Quays with Manchester United to my right, and just the sink estates of Salford in the foreground beneath me that you can't see. And there's the Bearden Tower and Deansgate Square, all the big red lights. That's Deansgate and the Manchester Arena and the Etihad Stadium, about 3 miles east of me. And that's up towards Rochdale, Oldham, in the distance, Ashton under Lyne, and it goes crazy. So there's been fireworks going off since about, I don't know, 6 p.m. I've just picked up a little bit now. What I'm trying to record is the sheer volume that happens only for, say, 60 seconds between 11:59 and midnight, when joining all the main displays, it appears that people just go out into the gardens and set something off, a Catherine Whaler rocket, and the whole thing goes to a nutty, crazy crescendo, which I'm always trying to describe. So I don't really want to, I'm still on my couch, I don't want to fall out of my window and kill myself, so I'll try and stay back. And I think it's the noise as well, you know? You're looking about 15-20 miles into the distance, so you'd need a proper camera, and I don't have one, I'm just using a phone. It's about 11:57 right now. Off to Heaton Park to my left, it's getting really interesting and busy. In Broughton and Rochdale and Newbold, and those are the Cheshire Plains. That's Altrincham and Timperley and Sale. There's things in the mid-distance going off now as well. I'm kind of blocked from central Manchester these days by these massive new high-rises they keep building, which ruin my view. That's just 1 mile away from here. Sounds incredible. It's about 11:58 and 20 seconds. There we go. Salford Quays is going nuts. Look at that, right out into the mid-distance, out towards Jodrell Bank. It's just 30 miles away. With my naked eye, I can see everything. It's just crazy. It's beautiful. Anyway, Happy New Year. And it's not the end of the decade. That's next year. Everyone's miscounted, by the way. All right. Who needs London, huh? This is Manchester. Okay, that's the best of it. Have a good night.